Now that you guys have been practicing syllable division with two-syllable words and finding syllables in sentences and other stories, we're going to practice another story today. The title of today's story is A Mess at the Banquet. Please read along with me so that you can work on your fluency, your expression, and your phrasing, and then you'll answer some questions in the form. Beth and Winston went to a big banquet hall. Beth can be a bit of a slob. She was candid with Winston and asked that he sit far away from her. When lunch was served, Beth screamed with glee. All of a sudden, the lemon relish fell off of the grilled chicken and onto her linen pants. Winston grabbed a napkin with some tonic water and rubbed the wet spot. The relish came right off.